Okay, so we are going over the inequalities homework for January 14th, 2019. I'm starting with number 1. Allison has a goal to lose at least 18 pounds. She loses weight at a rate of 4 pounds every week, per 1 week. Which inequality could Allison use to find W, the number of weeks it will take her to meet or exceed her goal? Okay, so those of you that are here right now, we're talking about at least, and she can meet or exceed her goal of losing 18 pounds.
Can I say my name?
No, not right now. So what I'm thinking is, do you think that she wants to lose less than 18 pounds?
No.
No, she wants to lose at least what?
20.
18 pounds.
Who says 20?
Don't tell me
So-
20 or more.
So,
18 or more.
So, what's happening here is we want to lose greater than 18 pounds. But does it say that we could lose 18 pounds? You can lose 18 pounds. You could also lose more. So could it be equal to 18 pounds?
Yes.
Yes. So we know that we want to lose greater than or equal to 18 pounds. That means it's going to open to the left. So we can go ahead and cross out B and D. Those two answer choices don't make sense because they're saying we want to lose less than or equal to negative 18 pounds. Losing those pounds. We want to lose at least that amount. Okay, so we know she's going to lose 4 pounds every week. So after 1 week, how many pounds do we think she's lost? 4 pounds. Okay, so 4 pounds times 1 week, we get 4 pounds. If we end up with 2 weeks, 4 multiplied by the 2 weeks, right? We've lost 8 pounds. What we're thinking about, because of that word per, is that we are going to multiply, right? So, if we said weeks plus -4, we have 1 week, and we add -4 pounds, are we going to meet what we want for losing our weight?
No.
No, and it doesn't make any sense. So what is the only answer choice that makes sense for us? A. We have -4 multiplied by the number of weeks that pass. We have -4 multiplied by the number of weeks that pass. It has to be greater than or equal to -18. All right, number 2. Justin has a maximum of $75 spent. Can he spend any more than $75?
No.
No, he definitely can't spend more than $75. So we know it has to be less than $75. And maximum, does that mean that he could spend those $75? Yes. So that 75, it needs to be less than or equal to $75. That means it's going to open to the right. 75 is the maximum he can spend. A ticket to Monster Jam costs $12. 1 ticket is $12. He can spend S dollars to buy souvenirs and concessions at the show. So how many tickets did he need to buy for him to go?
1.
He needed to buy 1 ticket for himself. So he spent how much so far?
12.
$12. He knows that $12 added to whatever he wants to spend on souvenirs is going to be his maximum budget, right?
Yes.
So what do you think we need to do if we're thinking about our spending? We have our souvenirs. Are we going to subtract our ticket price from our souvenirs? What we spend?
You added.
We're going to add it. So if we're looking at A and B, we can already say, well, I know I'm not going to subtract 12 from my souvenirs because I know I need to add that money that I've already spent. So I've added the amount of money I'm going to spend. And if I look over here, I know that I need to be less than or equal to 75. And so what's the only one that makes any sense? D. D is the correct answer. because we definitely don't want to spend more than $75. He doesn't have more than $75 to spend. All right, on number 3, I'm going to set it up for you, but then I want you to find the possible solutions. Remember, you're going to draw a line. You need to do your 1s and your 2s. 1, what's the operation that's happening currently? We're adding 15. What's the opposite of adding 15? Subtracting 15. So we need to make sure we do the opposite to both sides and keep the balance. All right. Once we figure that out, we can figure out, it may not be on here the exact answer, but if we subtract 15 from both sides, we can find a number that fits within what we have. All right, you guys, I know you can do it. I believe in you. I want you to make sure you put your name on there. I want to make a shout out to Keithrick, Brady, Logan, Devin, Giovanni, Leanne, and Tina for being here in tutoring, and hopefully I'll see you in tutoring here soon. Bye, guys.